Tired of being camera shy? Want to cash in on TikTok? Let's talk faceless videos powered by AI. First up, pick a niche. Life hacks top 10 funny animal clips. Next, use an AI tool like ChatGPT to write your script. No ideas? Ask the AI for viral topics. For visuals, try stock footage. AI-generated images. Pexels Canva. Need a voice? AI voice generators like 11 Labs can narrate your script. No mic needed. Now, combine everything in a simple video editor. CapCut Canva. Upload to TikTok. Use trending sounds. Add catchy captions. The more you post, the better your chances of going viral. Monetize with TikTok's Creator Fund affiliate links. Sell digital products. Ready to hustle with zero face time? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Start today. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to my channel.